Okay, here's the view from my garage. There's Hazel, she's out playing in the snow. I'm about to take off on the bike. So we're all set to roll. Hi Hazel again. So we'll get a good sampling as to what the weather looks like out here. So I'm going to try to hold this and my handlebars at the same time. We'll see how that works. Okay. Wow, we getting that? Whoa, Hazel, look at that snow. Alright, there's the front tire. See you later. Bye, Hazel. So it's a little bit brisk weather out here today. Alright, so there's the road again. There's my tracks. They look a little bit sickly. Let's get back on the road here. Alright. Not too bad. Let's see there. I'm down in the front tire. So I'm going to go right down the center of the road here. Find some tracks to follow. Keep an eye on all that's happening there. But so riding with one hand is probably less than ideal, but we're really looking for the full experience here. So let me coming up to an intersection. Whoop! Had to put my foot down there. That was a little bit sketchy. As you can see, the wind is picking up. Second here, I'll try to spin the camera around so you can see how we're dressed. Right now I just want you to see the weather. It's nasty. Alright, I think you can see that. Point it down so you can see the bike. Oh, whoop. Back on the road. There's a snow plow going by. So your main roads are going to be the most consistent. Let's see here. Oh, it looks like my sidewalk is plowed here. That's an improvement. Alright, go Williamsville. They got out here early. Alright, so I'm going to stay on the sidewalk for the moment. Head right down through here. And just try to make sure that I'm always keeping my wheels straight ahead. Can't take any sharp corners or anything like that. Oh! So here's the problem with sidewalks. Now I'm hitting chunky snow. The road's uneven, makes it very slippery and dangerous. So I probably can't continue down this sidewalk for very long because it really, at the end of the day, becomes much more dangerous than just riding in the road. So once I get up here to the next intersection, I'll probably get off of the sidewalk because it really isn't doing much for me here. Actually, it's really, really bad. But again, it's all about keeping momentum rolling, staying with your tires square at every drift, no quick turns, and a high gear so that you don't spin out. So it requires a lot more pressure on your legs. But alright, let's see here. That smoothed out a little bit. That smoothed out a little bit better. Alright, we're going to cross the street here. I use my rear brakes to slow down when possible. We got traffic coming by. Let's see here. I'll back up so you can see that's the sidewalk we just came down. Alright, we're going to cross the street right now.
Okay, so here we are. Milo just pulled up to Coffee Culture in a nice little Buffalo Snowstorm that we just got here. How you doing, Milo? You look like you're pretty warm there. What do you got on?
Well, I'm sporting the firm grip gloves
Okay.
this afternoon. And got the ski helmet on, ski goggles.
See that? Got a nice little blinky light.
Yeah.
Okay.
I shut it off, didn't I?
Yeah, looks like it's off.
Yeah.
You got chains on the tires, or
no chains? I decided just to stick with the normal tires.
normal tires?
Yeah. And they didn't do too well.
How are people treating you on the roads today with the snow coming down?
So far, they're not too pleased.
Yeah?
Yeah, they don't really enjoy having me out in the middle of the street.
What do you think of warming up and getting a coffee inside?
That's probably a good way to go.
All right, signing off for now.